Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something that could genuinely change the way many of us approach home and office printing: the F-Ink 5 Bottles Ink and Refill Kits. This isn't just another set of ink bottles. It's a comprehensive solution designed to breathe new life into your Canon ink cartridges, specifically those popular 275, 276, 260, 261, 245, and 246 series, including their XL counterparts like the PG275XL, CL276XL, PG260XL, CL261XL, PG245XL, and CL246XL. One of the biggest headaches for any printer owner is the recurring cost of ink. It often feels like you're paying more for the ink than for the printer itself. That's where F-Ink steps in as a true game changer. This kit offers a remarkably cost-effective alternative to constantly buying brand new cartridges. Imagine significantly cutting down your printing expenses without compromising on quality. That's precisely what this F-Ink kit aims to deliver. The convenience of having 5 bottles in one kit is fantastic. It typically includes the essential black ink, often in a larger quantity, alongside the vibrant cyan, magenta, and yellow. This ensures you're well equipped for all your printing needs, from crisp, professional documents to vivid, colorful photos. The extensive compatibility means many users will find this kit a perfect fit for their existing setup. Now, some might be hesitant about refilling cartridges, perhaps fearing a messy process or subpar results. However, modern refill kits like this one from F-Ink are designed with user-friendliness in mind. While it does require a little care, the process is generally straightforward, and the savings are well worth the minimal effort. The ink itself is formulated to provide excellent print quality. Users often report sharp, smudge-resistant text and bright, accurate colors that rival original manufacturer inks. This means your important documents will look professional, and your cherished photos will retain their vibrancy. Beyond the financial benefits, there's also an environmental advantage to refilling. By reusing your existing cartridges, you're actively reducing plastic waste, contributing to a more sustainable printing practice. For anyone tired of the endless cycle of expensive ink cartridge purchases, the F-Ink 5 Bottles Ink and Refill Kits present a compelling solution. It offers a smart, economical, and environmentally conscious way to keep your Canon printer running smoothly and your prints looking great. If you own one of the compatible Canon printers and are looking to save money without sacrificing print quality, this F-Ink kit is definitely worth considering. It's a practical investment that pays for itself over time, giving you more control over your printing budget.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.